This year, whistleblowers who blow the whistle on money laundering stand to gain billions of dollars under a brand new statute. Click here to find out more. Hi, I'm attorney Jason T. Brown, former special agent and legal advisor with the FBI, presently running a law firm that services clients nationwide, protecting whistleblowers all over the country. If you thought 2020 was crazy, 2021 started with a surprise, with Congress passing a statute that actually looks pretty darn good in enforcing the money laundering laws. It took an impotent statute under the Bank Secrecy Act and transformed it into a virile and vital statute in which whistleblowers who blow the whistle on money laundering stand to gain up to 30% of the proceeds that the government collects. Each year, it's estimated that $2 trillion of money is laundered. Now, that's a rough estimate because since it's laundered, it's below detection. But with whistleblowers now standing to gain 30% of that money, there could be $600 billion for the taking for insiders who know information and want to blow the whistle the right way about money laundering. Individuals often want to know, what is money laundering? Money laundering is the movement of cash or cash equivalent to avoid detection by the United States government, and it's often used to hide other underlying conduct that's often illegal or immoral. The imagery comes from theoretically washing money, kind of like at a laundromat. And ironically, individuals used to use laundromats, because it was a cash business, to run criminal proceeds through it to make it look like it was lawful earned revenue. Now, you may ask, why would somebody want to all of a sudden subject that money to reporting to the IRS? Well, if there's unexplained large amounts of cash in a bank account, banks are conditioned to file something called CTRs and SARs. Here, if there's a business behind it, it looks like the money is clean. Thus, where we get the term money laundering. Some of the industries in which money laundering are going to rear its head certainly start off with cryptocurrency. Bitcoins, Ethereum are hot to start 2021. Recreational drug businesses, a lot of times, may be guilty of money laundering. Because even though it may be lawful in that particular state to sell the product, the federal government may not have jumped aboard, and thereby using the banks to hold the funds may be illegal money laundering. In fact, a lot of these recreational drug companies have concealed from the banks their true purpose of what the business is doing, which in fact is classical money laundering. Another instance of money laundering is receiving funds from a prohibited source, such as a foreign country, that going directly into a certain business. Now, a good rule of thumb about money laundering is if you're prohibited from doing something directly, you can't do it indirectly. So therefore, you can't use a straw person to send the funds to person X here in the United States, and that person then puts it into your business when you know the funds originated from an illegal, unlawful origin. The new statute passed by Congress, the Anti-Money Laundering Act, has very strident protection for whistleblowers, and we protect whistleblowers. One of the unique features of it resemble what happens in the SEC whistleblower statute, where individuals who blow the whistle may be able to be anonymous from start to finish with the right whistleblower attorney. If you're aware of money laundering, and it's systemic money laundering, you stand to gain quite a bit. There's a tremendous upside. You don't want to passively be part of it while it happens, because there certainly is a downside as well. You need to consult with a law firm. Our law firm gives free, confidential evaluations and consultations about whistleblowing rights, and courses of action. We strongly encourage you to speak with a firm whose focus of its practice is protecting whistleblowers, like our firm, Brown LLC. We have a dedicated team who full-time work to protect whistleblowers.